Obviously there.
Okay, hey guys, it's me Tarun, and I'm making an update video of Real Death Note. I already asked Mosh, and I got it copyrighted, which is okay, so. Sorry, I was just coughing. Okay, here it goes. So, what do you want to do?
Oh no.
Ah, what's this book? Oh my gosh, it says Real Death Note. Yeah, right. Hold on a second. According to this, it says that if you write down a person's name, they will die of suffocation in a minute. Yeah, right. It's not even possible. Little kids just play this dumb trick. Wait, what if it does work? Osama bin Laden. Osama bin Laden. So it's bad. Okay, now let me turn on the Osama bin Laden TV. Okay, hold on. 1 minute, nothing happened. Wait, what is that? Did it just say that he died? He died! Oh my gosh! This thing works! This thing works! Oh my gosh, what do you think of this? This is scary. This is scary. Wait!
It's amazing.
But that's not all.
We have more people to kill.
I have more people to kill. I'm not gonna stop! 1 month later. According to biological studies, every criminal in the world has been killed.
What the heck? You killed every criminal in the world?
Yeah, but I don't think it's enough. There's one more criminal.
What the heck?
What's that? No.
It's a book.
Oh my gosh. It says real life note. We'll pay. You write down my name. I'll write down your name. Teachers. You know my name, right? I see that. Huh. The old. What is that gonna do? Life notes? What is that gonna do to me? If you write down my name, nothing's gonna happen. I wrote down your name, you're gonna die.
The old switcheroo.
Wait, this is not the. Okay, guys, I hope you liked that video. Peace out. Oh.